Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Slade Sackman here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. And today I'm showing you one of our beautiful Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard boats. I'm going to do a quick walk around. You can see this boat is powered with the Mercury outboard engine. It's the new V6 200 naturally aspirated motor. Unbelievable torque with these new motors have been excellent on our 2019 and 20 models. And now I'll go ahead and take you inside and show you the rest. Hello everyone again. We are aboard a 2020 23-foot Sea Ray SPX outboard model with dune interior coloring. You can see we have infinity woven flooring on here, as well as a blue bimini top. The boat is equipped with both bucket seats, both captain's chair and companion chair. You have a built-in 6-inch Simrad unit. The upgraded new Fusion stereo head units. And the port side console is your head compartment. As you move forward through the boat, you can see a big, large bow seating area with speakers, handholds, table mounts, lots of space up here for your companions. As I move from the bow back through the boat, you can get an idea of the large L-shaped seating that's in this vessel. Dedicated cooler storage underneath the rear seat. You have storage underneath both those seats on the sides. And I'm going to show you the large storage compartment underneath this sun pad, which is where they normally would house a motor, but because it's an outboard, you have a large storage facility. Here you can see with the top popped up on it, you have a very large storage area, dedicated table storage. Virtually any beach toys you want to put in here, that's the place to keep it. Again, my name is Slade Sackman, 239-229-8862 at the MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. This is our beautiful 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard in Sea Ray Blue. Please give me a call.